Hey everyone, in today's video, we'll show you how to change the background color on your Instagram story. While Instagram doesn't have a built-in option for this, there's a simple trick to get it done. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app. Swipe right to add a story or tap the plus icon. Make sure you're on the story mode, then take a random photo. It doesn't matter what it is. This step is just to start the process. Once you've taken the photo, tap on the three-line menu at the top and select Draw. You'll see different background colors to choose from. Pick the color you like, then long press anywhere on the screen. The entire background will change to the selected color. The key here is to long press and hold. Now that you've set your background color, it's time to add your photo. Tap Done, and then select the sticker option. From there, tap on Photo to access your album. Choose the photo you want to use, resize it, and position it wherever you like. You can also add text, stickers, or other elements to customize your story further. Once you're happy with your design, tap on Share to post your story. And that's it. You've successfully changed the background color on your Instagram story. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. See you in the next video.